everyone, now I am going to show you how to find a minimum element in an array, right? So let's just start. So I have to declare an array, so I am going to say int arr and 5. I need an index variable to iterate, that is I. Fine. So let's just print a message. To print a message, ask user to enter the 5 numbers. So printf /n enter 5 elements. So the array size upper bound is 5, means I can accept up to 5 elements. To read the 5 elements, I need a for loop. So I am going to say here for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. This loop will iterate for 5 times, and I am going to read scanf %d ampersand of arr of I. Now in this way I can read 5 elements from the console, from the user. Now how to find the minimum? So in this case I have to consider the first element as a minimum element in my array. So let's just declare a variable. The variable is minimum, that is mean, and assign the first variable, first value of the array, that is index 0, to minimum. Means the first element of my array is a minimum element. I will compare this element with other remaining elements. If any element other than this is minimum or smaller than the mean, then that element will be minimum. So let's just start. So write a for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and compare. So in this case I have to use selection control, that is if minimum is greater, so I mean to say my first element is minimum, and if other elements than the minimum, right, is greater, means minimum is mean element is greater than other elements, then assign other elements as a mean. So I can say mean is greater than arr of I. So if it is, then mean equal to arr of I. So my element mean is already a minimum element, but any other element which is there is like compared with minimum. If minimum is greater, then assign other elements as a mean, and then print /n minimum is %d mean. Let's just save the code. Right click, run as local C++ application. As you can see here, 0 error 0 warning, 5 elements I have to enter. So I am going to enter 5, 3, 1, 4, 7, and the answer is minimum is 1. So this is how you can get the minimum element from the array. Thank you for watching the video.